When the world feels hopeless, the secret is to give value to people. I've had a lot of big changes in my life in the last year, deleting my YouTube channels and getting divorced, moving out into my own place. And there were some days where I felt really down. The easiest thing that got me out of it instantly was thinking, how can I help other people? Even though I would look around the world and think, this is pretty pointless. Dating is so difficult, making money in a way that has integrity is difficult, health and trying to help other people, it seems difficult. But what helps me is to focus on how may I help someone else? How can I give to someone else as easily as possible? And what's really helped me is to get back on YouTube because I have 6 YouTube channels now and I post a video on them every day, each channel. And that's 6 opportunities for me to help someone else. The secret is then I feel good. I post videos. The purpose is to give and focus on how much I'm giving. And the more I focus on how much I'm giving, I don't have time to be hopeless. And everything that I see that might offend me about the state of the world, that's another video. I play, video games, and I try and help people who are lonely and share, what I'm learning and show them new games to play. I find crypto is absolutely horrible. The state of crypto is just a mess. And the one bright side is that my crypto videos help people in the middle of the mess to see clearly. So I have 2 channels dedicated to helping people in the mess of crypto. This main channel, I just make videos to try and help people laugh or to say, on any kind of subject to test a different niche I might want. I help people on YouTube. YouTube is difficult. There's a huge opportunity and there's a lot of garbage coaching advice on YouTube, and that motivates me. I could look at my channels and think how hopeless it is, but when I focus on helping people, I am out of that. Then I have a dating channel, Jerry Banfield Dating. I make videos trying to help people with dating on this channel. And that way, everything I'm doing when I'm dating is an opportunity for me to learn. Every time I'm going out on a date, I'm thinking, what kind of content can I create? What can I learn from this? How can I help someone else? And that instantly gets me out of this feeling of hopelessness and powerlessness. And it sets me up to receive what I want also. Lots of times when I'm hopeless, I'm thinking that I don't see how I'm going to get what I want. But then when I focus on what I'm giving to people and what I'm offering to people, I notice that people often focus on making sure that I'm taken care of. For example, I've got calls at jerrybanfield.com, and I'm grateful that focusing on what I'm giving, I do make space to receive, but I also make space to give because there's a lot of content online that you can watch, but what you really need is to talk with somebody, to bounce ideas off of somebody and to have somebody listen to you. So I set myself up to give listening. And then people come schedule calls. I'm consistently, I had 2 calls scheduled today. I had a call, I have a call scheduled already for Wednesday. Like I just started offering this. I had 2 calls the day before, and it's really nice. I am able to then receive the money that I can just keep working and filming videos at home and give to others. And what's cool is if I would have focused on my situation and my finances and my dating, yes, things would have looked like, man, I'm not sure how all this is going to work out. But when I focus on how can I share what I've learned and lift other people up, then I get lifted up in the process. Then that keeps the world interesting. And in some ways, it feels like I'm constantly fighting the evil in the world. But at the same time, I realize we're part of a bigger drama. And yes, some evil might look like it's something we can't overcome. But at the same time, it is part of the narrative, the story, the whole performance where to some degree, we're just performing. All of life is a stage. And when it gets hopeless is when you forget that this is entertainment on some level. This is a journey. The journey's meant to be enjoyed. And even if parts of the journey are rough, the journey itself, like some of the roughest times in my life, I look back now with nostalgia. Like that was hard, but it was character building. It was fun. It was an adventure. I've been really loving the adventure that my life has been lately. Like, man, this is a little more difficult than usual, but the adventure is much higher than usual. The uncertainty, the what if, the emotions have all been higher, and that has been enjoyable. So my whole goal with this video is then programming yourself next time you feel hopeless. Remember, instant access. Help somebody else. How can I help somebody else? And if you don't know how to help somebody else, just ask somebody else for help. I love when people ask me for help and give me a chance to share with them. Sometimes giving somebody a chance to help you, to lift you up, will help them feel good. And that is something you're doing to let somebody else. That is a gift you have to give. So if you're wondering, I am available at jerrybanfield.com. If you'd like to talk, I'm here. And I'd love to get to know you better. Thanks for watching. And I hope next time you feel hopeless, this video kicks in and you'll remember, hey, let me help someone else and I'll feel better.